Welcome back to Reviews Inside TV. Today, we're looking at the Kenmore 21.6V lightweight 2-in-1 vacuum, a versatile cordless stick vacuum that promises to make your cleaning routine quicker and easier. We'll be breaking down everything from its suction power to its design, giving you all the details you need to decide if this vacuum is the right fit for you. The Kenmore 21.6V 2-in-1 vacuum offers the convenience of a cordless, lightweight design, making it an ideal choice for those who need an easy-to-use solution for both carpet and hard floor cleaning. Weighing in at under 5 pounds with the full assembly, including the nozzle and wand, this model is incredibly lightweight, reducing strain during extended cleaning sessions. And if you're looking to clean up quick messes or tackle pet hair in tight spaces, the detachable hand vac weighs under 3 pounds, giving you even more control and maneuverability. But of course, weight alone isn't the whole story. So let's dive deeper into its features. One of the standout features of this vacuum is its HEPA filtration system. A huge plus for allergy sufferers, this vacuum captures 99.97% of dust, pollen, pet dander, and bacteria, down to an impressively fine 0.3 microns. This means it's not just cleaning your floors, it's also helping to improve the air quality in your home. Plus, the vacuum is bagless with an easy-to-empty, transparent canister, saving you money while reducing the hassle of replacing bags. The washable filter also adds to the vacuum's cost-effectiveness, making maintenance a breeze. With 2-speed settings, the Kenmore vacuum offers flexibility to suit different cleaning needs. The low eco mode is perfect for lightweight daily cleanups, while the high, max mode, gives you more power for tougher messes or deeper carpet cleaning. Whether you're working on tile, hardwood, linoleum, or carpet, these speed settings give you the right power at the right time. Speaking of power, the vacuum's 21.6V lithium-ion battery is another key feature. It provides up to 40 minutes of continuous suction on eco mode when using the hand vac, giving you ample time to tackle messes around the house. The battery charges in less than 3.5 hours and comes with its own wall-mounted base, keeping everything neat and organized. The inclusion of a portable adapter makes charging even more convenient, allowing you to easily charge the battery anywhere in your home. Now, let's talk real-world use. Setting up and assembling the Kenmore vacuum is straightforward. Once fully charged, it's a breeze to start using. The swivel steering makes it easy to navigate around furniture, and the LED headlights are a nice touch, illuminating dirt and dust you might otherwise miss in darker corners or under furniture. The 2-in-1 design allows you to switch between handheld and stick modes seamlessly, giving you the versatility to clean a variety of surfaces without needing to switch vacuums. In terms of performance, the Kenmore 21.6V vacuum does an excellent job on hard floors and carpets. On high-speed mode, it picks up fine dust and debris with ease, while also lifting embedded dirt and pet hair from carpets. The suction is strong, and the lightweight design doesn't compromise its ability to clean effectively. However, it's important to note that while the vacuum performs well on standard carpeting and hard floors, it might struggle with thicker carpets or heavy debris, especially in eco mode. One of the features I really appreciate is the vacuum's noise level. It's noticeably quieter than many other vacuums in this class, especially when running on eco mode, which is a welcome change for anyone tired of loud cleaning sessions. However, the noise level does increase slightly on max mode, but it's not overwhelming. The included combo crevice dusting brush tool is a great addition. It's perfect for cleaning tight corners, upholstery, and even the interior of your car. While the hand vac does a good job on stairs and other smaller spaces, the lack of a dedicated stair tool may leave some users wanting a little more precision when cleaning vertical surfaces. As for build quality, the Kenmore vacuum feels solid but not overly heavy. The materials are durable, and the assembly feels well constructed. The clear plastic canister is sturdy enough to handle regular use, but it does tend to accumulate dust and debris on the outside, which can be a bit of a nuisance to clean. Still, the overall design is simple and functional. Now let's talk value. The Kenmore 21.6V lightweight 2-in-1 vacuum hits a sweet spot for users looking for an affordable cordless vacuum that doesn't skimp on features. While it's not the most powerful vacuum out there, it provides excellent performance for its price range, especially for those in need of a lightweight and efficient option for daily cleaning. Its strong filtration, ease of use, and versatility make it a solid contender in the budget-friendly vacuum market. When comparing it to alternatives in the same price range, you'll find a few competitors like the Shark Navigator Freestyle Cordless Stick Vacuum or the Dyson V7 Motorhead, which might offer slightly more suction power or more advanced features. However, the Kenmore stands out with its user-friendly design, HEPA filtration, and lightweight form factor. If you're primarily focused on hard floor and light carpet cleaning, or if you're someone who values ease of use over high-end features, the Kenmore is definitely worth considering. As for maintenance, the Kenmore vacuum is relatively easy to care for. The filter is washable, and the bin empties with minimal hassle. The brush roll doesn't get tangled with hair as much as other models, but it's still a good idea to periodically clean it to maintain optimal suction. The overall build is sturdy, but like most vacuums, regular upkeep will ensure it continues to perform well over time. So, is this vacuum the right choice for you? If you're looking for a lightweight, budget-friendly vacuum that offers solid suction, easy maintenance, and a great filtration system, the Kenmore 21.6V lightweight 2-in-1 vacuum is definitely worth a look. It's perfect for small to medium-sized homes with mostly hard floors, and it's especially great for allergy sufferers, thanks to the HEPA filter. If you need something for thicker carpets or more intensive cleaning, you might want to look elsewhere. But for everyday use, this vacuum hits the mark. Thanks for watching. If you're interested in this vacuum, you can find the link in the comments box below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on future reviews. If you already own this vacuum, feel free to share your experience in the comments. I'd love to hear what you think. Until next time, keep your floors spotless, and as always, thanks for tuning in to Reviews Inside TV.